Hey everyone, today I'm thrilled to share my top influencer tips on using avatars for your business. Trust me, these fun digital characters can elevate your brand and help you connect with your audience on a whole new level. Plus, they can infuse some personality into your marketing strategy.
Let's talk about personality. When creating your avatar, it's vital to reflect your brand's identity. Think about what message you want to convey. Is your brand playful, professional, or quirky? Your avatar should embody that vibe. It doesn't have to be a person. Take the time to customize everything from the color scheme to the outfit. This is where you get to be creative and really showcase who you are in a relatable way.
Next up, interaction is key. Your avatar can help create a more interactive experience for your followers. Consider using it in live streams or Q&A sessions. You can answer questions, host challenges, or even tell stories, all while your avatar does the talking. This level of engagement brings a unique twist that viewers will appreciate. Plus, it allows for more authentic connections, as avatars can express emotions in a fun way. Think of the exaggerated gestures and smiles.
Let's dive into content creation. Your avatar isn't just a pretty face. It can be a powerhouse for your content strategy. Use it in videos, social media posts, or even as the face of your blogs. For example, you can create animated tutorials or fun explainer videos where your avatar shares valuable tips with your audience. This approach makes your content more engaging, entertaining, and let's face it, totally shareable. People love visuals, and what's more eye-catching than a lively avatar speaking directly to them?
Don't forget about marketing. An avatar can be a fantastic tool for promotional campaigns. Use your avatar to drive brand awareness through ads or collaborations with other influencers. You might even consider creating merch featuring your avatar. Imagine fans wearing shirts or using stickers of your digital character. How cool would that be? This strategy can significantly enhance your reach and create a strong sense of community around your brand.
No matter how big or small your business is, it's time to start using an avatar for. It can add a fresh and fun dimension to your influencer journey. With the right personality, engaging content, interactive experiences, and strong marketing strategies, you'll be able to connect with your audience like never before. So get creative, have fun, and start exploring the incredible possibilities that avatars can bring to your brand. Check the link in the description to find out how this video was created.